Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to check the oil level. So first you open the hood, and while the motor is off, we'll come up here and find the dipstick. We'll pull this dipstick all the way out, wipe it clean with a paper towel or rag, stick it all the way back in, and then pull it right back out. And then from here, check these measurements, where these grid marks are on these lines. Towards the left is your full, and then as you go towards the right of each of these little rectangles, you're getting lower and lower. So if you're not in these grid marks on the left, kind of where that one dot is, then you want to add some oil. On that said, if we need to add oil, stick this all the way back in, and while the motor's still off, we'll open this, unscrew this off. Make sure you're using the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But with this cap unscrewed, with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just add as oil is needed, and try not to overfill if you can help it as well. And then screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would at this point start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the beginning with this dipstick of pulling it out, wiping it clean, sticking it back in, and checking the level to see if it's full now. And all this I would not do in replacement of regular oil changes, which, depending on motor age, miles, synthetic, conventional type of oil, things like that, you do between typically 3,000 to 8,000 miles, at which generally you put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath of the oil pan to unscrew the oil plug, drain all the old oil, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in nice and tight, and then back up top here, add the recommended amount of oil for your particular motor. Screw this back on tight as well, and then again start the motor for about 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the original process with this dipstick again to see if we're on that full mark. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.